Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Pakka Limited, I extend a very warm welcome to each and everyone present over here. We're extremely pleased to have you join us today to commemorate the listing of the equity shares of Pakka Limited on NSE. Ladies and gentlemen, before we commence with the ceremony, I request everyone to kindly stand in attention for the national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you. We'll request everyone to kindly take your seats. Ladies and gentlemen, Pakka Limited is a company that is revolutionizing the Indian packaging industry with its commitment to sustainability and innovation. Founded in the year 1981 as Yash Papers Limited, the company has since then evolved to become a global leader in regenerative packaging solutions. Its purpose is to leave a cleaner planet for future generations by providing compostable and regenerative alternatives to non-compostable multi-layer flexible packaging, single-use plastics, and styrofoam, which can take hundreds and hundreds of years to degrade. Ladies and gentlemen, Pakka's products are created using sugarcane agri-residue, bagasse, as the primary raw material and are categorized into three segments: food carry, food service, and food packaging. In 2017, the company launched a brand named Chuck that provides compostable food serviceware products which are toxin-free, lightweight, modular, microwavable, and oil and water resistant. Within only a span of 6 years, Chuck products have become hugely popular across the country and have also been appreciated by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. Pakka is the Great Place to Work certified organization that has a team of over 450 members in 7 offices across the globe. Pakka is extending its reach by establishing its first international plant in Guatemala. The facility is expected to be the largest producer of compostable flexible packaging and moldable fiber products in the world. The company currently exports its products to over 40 countries worldwide. That definitely deserves a huge round of applause. Let's have a huge round of applause for Pakka Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, on this momentous occasion of the listing of equity shares of Pakka Limited, we welcome the various dignitaries who joined us today. We would like to invite a leadership team from Pakka Limited on stage. So one by one, I'll be inviting the dignitaries and I'll be giving them a bouquet of flowers as a welcome gesture. So please help me in welcoming Mr. Pradeep Doble, Chairman, Pakka Limited. Very warm welcome to you, sir. We'd like to welcome our Vice Chairman, Mr. Ved Krishna. We would like to invite our Managing Director, Mr. Jagdeep Hira. We'd like to call on stage our director, Mr. Himanshu Kapoor. like to invite our Chief Financial Officer, Ms. Nitika Suryavanshi. I'd like to invite Mr. Eduardo Estrada, CEO, Pakka Inc. Please help me in welcoming our Company Secretary, Mr. Sachin Srivastav. I'd like to invite on stage Dr. Harish Ahuja, Head PST, Carbon and Power Markets, Investor Awareness and Services, Primary Market Relationship, NSC. Very, very warm welcome to you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, on this note, to commence this auspicious occasion, we'll now have the lighting of the lamp, for which I request the following dignitaries to please join us. Mr. Pradeep Dhople, Mr. Ved Krishna, Mr. Jagdeep Hira, Mr. Himanshu Kapoor, Ms. Nitika Suryavanshi, Mr. Eduardo Estrada, Dr. Harish Ahuja to please come on stage.
वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा
Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, this marks a new and prosperous beginning for Pakka Limited. Thank you once again. And on the same note, I invite on stage Mr. Pradeep Dhople, Chairman, to share his thoughts and journey with us. Very warm welcome to you, sir.
Thank you. Once again, good morning to you all. And thanks for being here for this opening bell ceremony of Pakka Limited, a company which was incorporated as Yash Paper, and thereafter Yash Pakka Limited, and now it has a more global, international name, Pakka Limited. As the director said, Pakka, in the Indian pronunciation will be Pakka, which means strong, reliable, long-lasting, etc. So today we have a very special day here. This is kind of a landmark in every company's journey. As I mentioned, and as the lady mentioned, this company was founded by revered entrepreneur, late K.K. Jhunjhunwala, in 1981. And then over a period of time, I think it got listed on Bombay Stock Exchange in early 90s. I think NSE was just about being formed at that time. And then over a period of time, the company has evolved from a tiny paper mill into a global ambition compostable packaging solutions provider, not just a paper manufacturer. And now we are harboring ambitions to go overseas as well, become a global supplier, and in addition to that, create a footprint which is creating positive impact on the planet. So that's the goal, that's the vision that we have. And when the company grows to that kind of a scale, it requires good corporate governance. So me as the chairman of the board, it is responsibility of the board, and I would like to make a commitment that we have embraced corporate governance as a means to achieve, as a cornerstone of our future success. We are sort of cultivating a culture of transparency, accountability, independence, and of course ethical behavior. And we believe that with these kind of initiatives that we have, and the benefits with listing on stock exchange, National Stock Exchange, a reputed stock exchange of India, the benefits that will accrue to us, which are in terms of visibility first of all, credibility among the investing community. It gives a transparent valuation of the company to the public. It also gives more liquidity. These kind of benefits which come, and over and above that, the signal that goes to the market is, if this company, even if a relatively small company at this point of time, has got the wherewithal to follow all the standards prescribed by National Stock Exchange, the stringent requirements that are there to be listed on National Stock Exchange. With all these benefits coming from there, and with our own internal efforts and corporate governance which I mentioned, we will be hoping that the potential for creating higher value for the company will get actualized. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for sharing your journey with us. May I request Mr. Ved Krishna, Vice Chairman, to please come on stage to share his thoughts with us.
I'm definitely wary of the time, so I'll be very quick. So I actually visited the National Stock Exchange, and I was telling Harish ji right now, in 2005 with the hope of listing here, but we didn't meet the requirements then. But I had a wonderful experience, and it's very well etched in my mind. And I was telling you, sir, that there was the AVP was T.S. Jagdharini then, and she made such a good impact in our minds that I felt that at some stage we have to list at National Stock Exchange. So it's taken about 17 years of effort and continuous work, and of course we are very, very excited about being listed at the National Stock Exchange. And the idea, of course, is future growth and plans that we are making. So the team, of course, has worked hard for it. Particular compliments to Sachin, who's been working hard to make sure that this date happens, because there's a name change along with the listing as well. And of course, super proud that our leadership team, part of the leadership team, is here today, who's leading this growth. The idea is singular for us. How do we make a deep impact building a business? And we will continue to do that and leave no stones unturned. Thank you so much for having us here.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, on that note, we have been, the moment that we all have been waiting for has finally arrived, where Pakka Limited will see itself listed on the National Stock Exchange. So, ladies and gentlemen, please help me in welcoming the following dignitaries for the bell ringing ceremony. Dr. Harish Ahuja, Mr. Pradeep Dhoble, Mr. Ved Krishna, Mr. Jagdeep Hira, Mr. Himanshu Kapoor, Mr. Eduardo Estrada, Ms. Nitika Suryavanshi, Mr. Sachin Srivastav. We're just a few seconds away from the listing. All right, just a few seconds away, then we'll be having the customary countdown. When we're just 10 seconds away, we'll be having a nice shout out. All right, everybody all together. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hearty congratulations. Thank you so much. Yes, let's have a photo op, please. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. At the same time, I invite Mr. Jagdeep Hira, Managing Director, to share his thoughts with us. Warm welcome, sir.
Good morning, all, and thanks for being here. It's an auspicious day for us to be listed on National Stock Exchange, and I'll thank all the stakeholders and the team members, and a warm welcome from the team members of Pakka Limited to all of you. The journey already have been described by Doble sir, our chairman, Ved, and we are delighted that with all your support we are growing and growing on a higher rate. And I would like to express my gratitude to all the team members or partners who are sitting over here across globe, not within India, across globe. We have footprinted almost 42 countries now, with export growing at a level of 27%. So that's the achievement what team had made till now, and we shall and we will grow together. Thank you all. Thanks very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me inviting on stage Mr. Himanshu Kapoor, Director, to share his thoughts and address this August gathering. Warm welcome, sir.
Good morning, everybody. Respected Chairman, sir, Ved, Harish ji, Managing Director Jagdeep, CFO Nitika Suryavanshi, Eduardo, Sachin, Amit, the branding team, Shashank, Pranay and Ankita, our relatives, Ashok Tibrewal and his son Shivam and Shubham, Manisha, our partners, a warm welcome to this auspicious and gracious event. I mean, coming down from a very small place in Ayodhya and coming up to the level of being now fighting with the big bulls in the entire India gives a lot of confidence and the journey has been truly transformational. And I would just like to say that we are just representative of those 450 people who are working day in, day out of doing this. Maybe we are sharing the dais and we are doing this. And for miles to go, those are the real achievers for whatever it is here today. Thank you, everyone, and congratulations to all of you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me inviting on stage Dr. Harish Ahuja, Head PSD, Carbon and Power Markets, Investor Awareness and Services, Primary Market Relationship, MSc. Please come forward. Thank you.
Shri Pradeep Doble, Chairman Pakka Limited. Shri Ved Krishna, Vice Chairman Pakka Limited. Shri Jagdeep Hira, MD Pakka Limited. Shri Himanshu Kapoor, Director Pakka Limited. Srimati Nitika Suryavanshi, CFO Pakka Limited, and other distinguished dignitaries. Good morning and very warm welcome for the listing ceremony of Pakka Limited on National Stock Exchange. I'd like to personally congratulate Mr. Ved Krishna. In fact, it took almost 18 years to you to come on this August Dais platform to launch the listing ceremony. Many congratulations again. It's always a very exciting moment for us at NSE to welcome a new listing, and gives us even more pleasure to welcome Pakka Limited, which is a leading provider of composite packing solution for marquee QSR like Starbucks, Pizza Huts, and KFC. There are very few companies in India which are operating in clean tech sector and working towards developing planet-friendly and sustainable solutions. You are one among them. This space is getting increasingly focused with each passing day from the regulators, investors, as well as customers. The company has made a significant shift from being a pulp and paper company to a sustainable packaging company. They are creating products using sugarcane agri-acid and helping in the development of circular economy in India through regenerative packaging solutions. Good. The successful listing of Yash Pakka, I will say the Pakka Limited new name, on NSE will provide an impetus to the sustainable ecosystem in India and also pave the way for others in sector to pursue their capital markets journey. Present listing by Pakka Limited will ensure all important disclosures. Announcements are available at NSE so that investor can have easy access to it and can make informed decision in a timely manner. NSE has been focused to create a platform for upcoming organization in their growth stories, and we hope this listing day is the start of a partnership going forward. I congratulate the entire team of Pakka Limited for their accomplishment, and today's listing is a testimony with the hard work. We are extremely happy to have you on board, and we wish you all the very best for your future growth. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Request sir to please be on stage. As to commemorate the significance of this event, we'll have an exchange of mementos. I request Dr. Harish Ahuja from NSE to please be stationed here and present the NSE listing memento, which is a very special memento, to the management team of Pakka Limited. I invite the following dignitaries, Mr. Pradeep Dhoble, Mr. Ved Krishna, and Mr. Jagdeep Hira to please come forward. And now I request the leadership team of Pakka Limited to present a special memento to Dr. Harish Ahuja from NSE. Thank you. I request the three gentlemen to please be on stage. Thank you, Dr. Harish. Sir, may I request to please be on stage? I now request Mr. Ved Krishna and Mr. Jagdeep Hira to present the special memento to Mr. Pradeep Dhoble, Chairman. Thank you. I request both of you to please be stationed. Thank you. Now I request both of them. We would like to, present our thanks, appreciate and present a token of appreciation for the hard work and commitment leading to this day to those two people. We request Mr. Sachin Srivastava, the company secretary, to please come forward. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Sachin. At the same time, I request, one more. May I request Mr. Amit Gupta, Secretarial Auditor, to please come forward. Thank you. on that note, I would now like to invite Ms. Nitika Suryavanshi, CFO, to propose a vote of thanks. Very warm welcome to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Dhwani, and I'm not keeping it short. Good morning. It is an honor to address this August gathering at this occasion. As we, Pakka Limited, achieve this milestone in our unique journey, on behalf of each team member, I would convey our heartfelt gratitude to each one of you for joining us today. Osho says, "Do not move the way fear moves you. Move the way love moves you. Move the way joy moves you." That is what we have lived by and lived for over all these 4 decades at Pakka. The strength and conviction multiplies as each team member believes in facing the dynamic circumstances and moving the way the love for Mother Earth moves us and the joy of leaving this earth as a better place moves us. We are incredibly blessed to have embarked on this journey alongside trusting partners spread across 40 plus countries, supported by a community of passionate shareholders. First and foremost, I would like to express our deepest appreciation to the National Stock Exchange. We are honored to be part of this prestigious platform that sets standard for wider reach, transparency, governance, and investor confidence. I would also like to convey and express our gratitude to our shareholders, both existing and new, for their trust, confidence, and continued support to our company. We are deeply grateful for our encouraging loyal dealers, distributors, customers, for including us in their lives and trusting us with our products and services. I would also like to extend our gratitude to our business partners, financial partners. Your collaboration, expertise, shared vision have been instrumental to our success and provides impetus to expand and grow the noble cause far and beyond. A special thanks to our visionary leadership and the Board of Directors for their unwavering support, resolve, and strategic guidance. A special note of thanks for our dedicated team members. It is your passion, creativity, and commitment that has made our company what we are today. This milestone is a true reflection of teamwork, dedication, passion, and trust. Once again, thank you all for joining us to celebrate this remarkable beginning. We will continue to work together, fulfilled and fueled by your support, our shared vision, and determination to drive sustainable growth and create a lasting and more impactful value. Thank you all and have a wonderful day ahead.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for presenting the vote of thanks. On this note, once again, hearty congratulations to Pakka Limited, which is now officially listed on NSE. It marks a milestone in the corporate journey of the company. We are grateful to our host, NSE, members of the board, family and friends, well-wishers, and all of you who took time to celebrate this really important, this very proud moment with us. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.